Y'all look at our snow. Look at my grandbabies, y'all. Y'all come on, Teddy and Tiny. They say hand too cold. Bring it here, Tiny. Bring it here to me. Bring it to me. Let me see the snowball. Right here, Tiny. And see, look at the snowball, y'all. Right here. They can't see it. Oh, look. Is your hand cold? Is your hand cold? Let's see yours, Teddy.
Teddy, look. Woo!
Yeah, he trying to give it to me, y'all. Here. Let me throw it at somebody. Let me throw this snowball at somebody. Come on. Let me throw it at. Let me say, who shall I throw it at? I'm gonna throw it at sir. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, y'all. I'm gonna have to get myself back in the house, y'all. We'll see how y'all out here.
This ice keep on getting stuck.
Y'all look at my car. It's full, y'all. Look. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Mama car. Woo! Snowball. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Over the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who wants to take up?
Ooh, I'm gonna get back up. Y'all, it's cold out here. Look at there, y'all. Look at y'all. Look. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go back in the house. See y'all. Oh, look at my car, y'all. Oh my gosh.
He don't know how. There you go. Yeah. Bring her. Talking camera. Huh?
Mama, my face was so red.
I told you, quit throwing towards her. Get it, Maddie. Get it, Maddie. Bishop, go out there and play, Miss Snowboy. Go out there and play.
Look, y'all, look at my backyard. Look at my backyard. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it's been a while since we've seen anything like this. So forgive us for being over dramatic, y'all, because we don't hardly see this.